What's up guys, Andy with Elite Force. We're back on the range today. I wanted to take a little bit of time and talk to you about the fully licensed H&K G36 by KWA. This gun does come complete with a 1-year warranty. Inside your box you'll get a warranty, registration card, and manual. Make sure you fill that out, send it in. The gun itself is a nylon fiber body and it does have a collapsible stock. This does come complete with KWA's 2GX gearbox. A couple of the key features to this are, it does have a metal outer barrel and metal flash hider. It comes complete with a sling mount in the front, full metal accessory rails, ambidextrous trigger switches, an adjustable rear sight, and an adjustable hop-up. To expose the hop-up, simply pull back on the charging handle. Now I'm going to show you how to load your battery. To do this, simply press the pin and remove the front handguard. We do recommend a 9.6 volt battery for this and a smart charger. Insert your battery. Slide your handguard back on. When doing so, make sure to keep your wires and battery tucked away so that you don't crimp anything. And you slide that back on. Velocity out of the box will be 380 feet per second with a .20, although we do recommend Elite Force .25 or heavier weight BBs. Simply open the door, fill the mag. Once it's full, wind the wheel. You'll see them come to the top of the mag. Give it a couple more, and you're ready to go.